Hello, in this video we're gonna check if OnePlus Nord 2T has a AMOLED display. So in order to do this, I visited our website HardReset.Info. Now let's search for this phone. So here's this device, let's open it, and now scroll down. We can find the read more right here. And here's basic information, so you can be sure that this is legit information, as we take it straight from a manufacturer. And here's the display, and as you can see, it's LCD IPS color, so that means it doesn't have AMOLED display. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, and leave a like and a comment below.